Yes, read that title quickly. Yeah, I've just seen that title. Like I was just eating. Or it's my story. I was like hungry. Then my mom just bought me like fried chicken. Guess what? The chicken is still raw and frozen. I saw like black bones. That means it's still frozen. Now I got the hungry Sam instead. The moist hot, the moist chicken. Yes, the moist chicken. Like, it's impossible, man. Like, how? Yes. Wait, let me. Yes, I did really get a raw chicken. I'm not even kidding. See this background? Yes, it's the background. then I use my cloth like for my stand. Yes, it's not moist hot chicken. It's my local fried chicken. That like it's still frozen and raw. Just posted about it. I saw like red and a little blood. Yes, little blood. Then I just gave it to my mom. Then my mom said, "Still safe." What do you mean?